In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Expedia account. If you're ready to step away from the platform, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Keep in mind that deleting your account typically removes your profile information, saved traveler details, stored payment methods, and preferences. It doesn't usually cancel any existing trips automatically, so be aware of any upcoming reservations before you proceed. First, go to Expedia.com using your preferred browser. Make sure you're on the official site so the navigation looks familiar and you have access to your profile controls. Once you're there, sign into your account. Use the email and password associated with your profile and complete any security checks if they appear. Being signed in is important because the option to close or delete your account only shows up when you're authenticated. After logging in, click your profile or account icon. You'll usually find it in the upper right corner of the page, and it may appear as your initials or a small person's silhouette. From the drop-down or account menu that opens, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central place where your personal information and preferences are managed. Inside Account Settings, look for a section labeled Privacy or Personal Data. The exact wording can vary, but you're aiming for the area that handles data controls and account management. Once you're in the right section, select Close Account or Delete Account. Different regions or versions of the site may use one term or the other. Both point to the same outcome of removing your account from the platform. Next, follow the on-screen instructions. You may see a brief explanation of what will be removed and what will remain, along with any warnings related to bookings, rewards, or outstanding credits. Read these carefully so you know exactly what to expect after deletion. The system may ask you to confirm your identity, acknowledge the consequences, or provide a brief reason for leaving. When you're ready, confirm your request. Look for a final confirmation button to proceed. This is the point where your request is officially submitted, and you'll typically see a notification that the process has begun. Finally, check your email for confirmation. Look for a message from the platform acknowledging your request and summarizing what happens next. If you don't see it right away, give it a few minutes and check your spam or junk folder. Once that message arrives, you'll know your deletion request is in progress and what timeline to expect.